everybody! Today I'm just looking on the surface of this ground up here by the old building to see what else I can find. And I want to get things out of the way before I sift through this ground. So let's see what is down here. There's quite a few things. Look at all this stuff. So I'm going to start over here. Oh, there's a cat. Let's start over here. Cool old relics. I'm going to move some of these just over to the side. Now what in the world is that? Huh. Very cool. Alright, here's another cool one. Part of a horseshoe. Oh, there's a cat. That one has a round head, and that one has a square one. Look how skinny that is. Interesting. Like I said in the last video, this building was probably built in the 1880s, so I wonder if there's any old bottles just underground a little bit. Dad found a couple old bottles under there like 30 years ago, but you can't really get under there anymore. Now what is that thing? There's another one like this over here. Reminds me of a potato peeler, but I know that's not what it is. So if you know anything about this, let me know. Could have something to do with horses or sheep from the old days. So this is the side that was the old shop. Okay, that is what an owl coughed up. We've been hearing a couple owls, and they live up in the barn. Some of these sickles, those are cool. These over here. Oh, that's interesting, isn't it? Some kind of stand. Put that over there. Here is a green thing. Wonder what that is. Okay, I'll have to look at that closer with my glasses on. This is newer trash here that I'm just gonna throw away. Ooh, check this out. Got something big here. There's some holes in it. I'll set that right there. type thing. Square nail. What's this? Interesting. You know, lots of buckles from probably horse tack, I guess. But this is the area I found that copper ring. I wonder if I can see anything else here. That's where the ring was. Okay, just some pieces of metal. Old pieces of leather belt. I don't know if that's part of a shoe or something to do with the horses. Look at that old nail, wow. Here's another one of those things. What is that? Some more leather. Pepsi, of course. The drink of choice. Well, one of the drinks of choice around here. Some old wire trash. A handle. Buckle. Nail. Cool. Handle. Couple of tiny washers. Oh, check that out. Another buckle. It's a beautiful day and very quiet. Makes you wonder what it was like 100 years ago to 140 years ago. All the activity around here. To look at the old picture to see all the buildings that were just right here beside me, both sides. I'll show you a picture that was taken up behind the house in 1910, so you can see. But just checking out all this trash here. Woohoo! This is a picture from 1910, and the arrow is pointing at the building we're sitting beside right now. Join me in these other videos to see some more treasure hunting. And if you haven't yet, please consider subscribing and please smash that like button. Thank you so much for watching.